How to view your mobile data usage on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. So swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, go down, then tap on connections. Then in here, scroll down and then tap on data usage. Next, tap on mobile data usage. And from here, there should be a graph showing your mobile data usage for the month. Now you can select a different time period by tapping on the drop down. And from the drop down here, because I have just recently turned on my mobile data usage, so there isn't much data, but as you use your phone over time, there will be more information displayed in this drop down list, which you can select a different time period to view your mobile data usage. And here in settings, you can also change your start billing cycle on. You can turn on or turn off, set data warning, and set your data warning usage. If we go back here, down here, you can view a breakdown of apps using up your data. So at the moment, you can see Google Play services using up 40.19 kilobyte, and then we got Android OS. So it will display from the most usage down to the least usage. And that's it. That is how you can view your mobile data usage on your Galaxy S25 series. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.